Water. You, me, the essence, nature. Each and every day is the right time to slow down and take care of yourself. In green Slovenia, you are inspired to do just that, all year round in the best natural thermal spas and resorts. Holidays. Time to rest. Touch. The world of luxury natural remedies calms you down and takes you to a place where you still know how to listen to yourself. Slovenian thermal spas await you with a holistic approach to health and wellness, with the help of proven natural healing resources and dedicated medical teams. Here you can feel every motion and nature tenderly pampering you. Here you can trust our experts to choose just the right way for you. Your way to well-being of body and mind. Set out on a journey to your inner self. Relax. Activate yourself. Discover the richness of healthy waters of Slovenia. Enjoy the beneficial warmth of Slovenian spas in your own way. Slovenian spas. Warmth that feels so good.